Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We're the BariGirls. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Well, today we're making our holiday eating count by making our festive Christmas tree appetizers. Oh, and these treats are made with guacamole. Did you know that avocados contain fiber and that helps aid in digestion?
Okay, Mom, that's a great fact. So just know it's aiding in my digestion. So if you see me consume more than 2 or 3, it should be fine.
Absolutely.
Fine.
Well, let's get this started by breaking our pretzels in half, and then we'll poke those halves into our pita triangles or our Christmas trees. Then we'll smooth on some guacamole and then sprinkle, however you want, your red diced bell peppers. And you'll top with your yellow bell pepper star.
I love that part, and it's going to be really fun for the kids to enjoy. I just know it might get a little messy in the kitchen, but let them have fun with it because at the end of the day, it's still healthy.
That's right. There you have it, delicious, beneficial, and festive.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us on YouTube, the BariGirls, for healthy, flavorful, and fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.